several months ago, and a couple of times after that, I talked about a wonderful device called the Duo Dock. And what Duo Dock basically is, it's a dock for your Surface Duo. And I have the original one here, which they were kind enough to send to me all those many months ago. And basically, if you don't know, let me show you what this thing is all about. So this is pretty much it here. It's pretty straightforward. Your power supply goes in here, and then your Duo can just sit in this little slot here. Your Surface pin can sit there as well. It's grooved in such a way that the slim pin or the standard pin can fit in there just as well. There's a little piece here that will slide out so that even if you're using the bumpers, it will still line up and sit in there quite nicely. Then you just plug in your charger and let it charge, or do what I do and use a USB-C hub and plug that in here. Plug your power into this, and then you can have any sort of accessory you want to use, like a wireless keyboard and trackpad, a monitor, HDMI out, some additional storage, whatever you would like to do from there. But that is the original Duo Dock. And the cool thing here that I'm bringing to you today is that they have updated the Duo Dock with a new model that is smaller and also improves upon an optional feature that they had before. So first off, you can see that this is quite a bit smaller than it was before. As far as the height goes, it is a little bit shorter as well. And just like with the prior Duo Dock, there was an option for a magnetic connector to be in here. Instead of using just plugging it in, you could have a magnetic connector. Well, they've actually changed what magnetic connector is in there this time, and that is what they've sent me. So this is the new smaller Duo Dock with the new magnetic connector. So for you guys and gals that are trying to keep your USB-C port from cracking, there you go. This is what came in the box with it. This is the magnetic USB-C connector. Let's plug this into my USB-C port, just like that. And now, when I drop it in, that's it. It is magnetically connected, and as you can see, pretty strong enough to actually lift the dock up. You would have to actually, put a hand on it and pull it out that way, and it's working pretty well. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in, and I'll show you the power actually working. Here's a USB-C cable here. Let's plug it in, and let's drop it in. And we are charging. How cool is that? Whenever I'm done, I can just lift it out and walk away, and I am done. Let's confirm here that my USB-C hub is working. Power delivery plugged in. And let's reseat that. And we are now charging once again. What about if you want to use some of those cool accessories like a wireless mouse and keyboard type setup? Well, here is a wireless trackpad, and guess what? Can you see my mouse, my cursor moving around? So there you have it, Duo Dock 2.0 with the new magnetic connector. Let's take a look at their website, and I'll show you kind of what the options are. So the standard Duo Dock that is just a regular USB-C cable is $40. The one that I've got here with the Mag 24, the newer, better magnetic connector, is $45. You can buy additional magnetic connectors for $17 as well. And keep in mind, this is being done by, this is a small company. This is just a couple of people 3D printing these themselves. And I know that a lot of you guys have actually already purchased the original Duo Dock, but it might be worth taking a look here at the new model. No, this is not a paid advertisement of any kind. Duo Dock is just something that I actually use in my day-to-day life, and the creators were kind enough to send the new model out to me. So if you're looking for something to be able to quickly drop your Duo in, maybe connect it to that USB-C hub, display out to another monitor, mouse and keyboard, have sort of a productivity / charging dock right there, Duo Dock is a good way to go. I'll have a link to Duo Dock in the description down below, as well as a link to that USB-C hub in case you guys want to pick up any of those. Drop a comment with your favorite Duo accessory down there in the comments as well for other people to take a look at and up their Duo productivity game. Guys, thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you on the next one, and until then, stay nerdy, my friends.